Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be wear testing for 12 hours the Smashbox Triple Tone Legendary Lipsticks. Yep, there are triple tone lipsticks by Smashbox and I have the color Sunset Ombre. On Smashbox website, they say they retail for $24, but they are on sale for $14 right now. And you get 3.6 grams of product. And they came out with 4 different colors: the sunset, a red, a berry, and a nude. I actually got mine in a BoxyCharm unboxing video. You can see it's got like a corally bright pink, a complete lavender color, and a bright orange color. I'm gonna swatch it. So you can clearly see all 3 colors when you swatch these guys. Like, it is full on 3 different lip colors. It's bright, it's opaque. On Smashbox website, they actually say you can use these on your cheeks too. I'm not gonna do today, but always an option with most lipsticks. They have a 3-step how to do this. They say apply it to the top lip, then flip it upside down, apply it to the bottom lip, and then lightly pat to blend, and then line edges with the darkest shade just by going like this. How's this 3-tone gonna work? How long are these lipsticks gonna actually last on my lips? The bullet really is gorgeous. Like, it's kind of hard to get over. My lips are always dry, but I have had them kind of masking this morning with my Lucas Paw ointment, so that has now come off. And I'm gonna start with the bullet up on the top lip, flip it upside down on the bottom lip, and then we'll see what we get. So cool. It's really hard to do on the bottom. Once they're all pat together, it kind of just looks like one bright magenta pink. I'm gonna kind of do the lining like they suggest with the dark color, which on my tube would be the pink. And I'm gonna blot as well because we're gonna be wearing it all full 12 hours. So I wanna make sure it's really like stuck in place. Maybe it looks a little bit washed out on camera, and the up close camera really brings out that kind of like gross orange. But in real life, I feel like the ombre is a little bit more subtle and the colors just kind of blend together a little bit nicer from a normal viewing distance. The lipstick itself feels very lightweight, very comfortable, kind of just the tiniest bit of plushness to the lips without being like slippery or anything. And while I'm not the hugest fan of fuchsia, I feel like this has enough coral in it that I'm like kind of digging it. It's not like too far purple. So I'm gonna pop over to natural light and let you take a look at what it looks like in natural light, and then I will reapply throughout the day as needed. Take it along with me. I will say one thing, the packaging, like, I was so excited to get a 3-tone lipstick, but the packaging is kind of underwhelming, honestly. It's a very long tube compared to like a normal lipstick, and just feels like super lightweight and plasticky. I just wish it was a little bit louder packaging wise. Let me hop over to natural light and yeah, let's start our 12-hour day here. Let's go. Alright, here we are at the end of a long day, and my lips are still looking very pink. I only reapplied it once today, as you saw in my check-ins. And overall, it wears very lightly. Like, it's a nice level of moisturization where my lips felt great all day. They feel a little bit dry right now. Magenta color faded really nicely throughout the day. Reapplication is a little bit more nerve-wracking than another lipstick, where with any normal lipstick you might be able to go in blind. With this type of lipstick, you do have to like look in a mirror, make sure you're holding it upside down, which is really awkward, and then apply the lipstick that way, and I find it can get a little messy. Overall, I really felt like the 3-tone kind of looks more like a 2-tone throughout the day. I don't know, maybe I'm not giving the orange enough credit, because like in real life it's kind of hard to see the orange, but I feel like I could clearly identify the darker outer portion of my lip, the lip liner, and the lavender inner shade when they combine to make this magenta. And I kind of feel like the orange kind of got like lost in translation somewhere along the way. I never did a full-on transfer test, so I haven't blotted or anything since reapplying, so I'm just going to do a quick blot test. And I think this is pretty much representative of what I found today. It does transfer a little bit, but really not very much at all. And even drinking coffee or anything, lipstick definitely doesn't like come off, and it just kind of like fades very lightly and naturally off of your lips. So what do I think of this lipstick overall, formula wise? And I can't recall if I've really worn a bullet lipstick from Smashbox before. If I have, it didn't stand out in any particular way. I definitely tried their like pencil, the like fat pencils, the chubby sticks, and their liquid lips, but I'm not too sure. Like I said, I've tried a bullet before, and I thought the formula was very comfortable and that it wears very well over time. It does slightly like settle in your lips or on your lip texture if you have dry lips, but because this particular color is so bright and so opaque, it definitely does kind of mask any dryness that you have. I definitely do prefer this over the Benefit. Was it a 2-tone or a 3-tone lip color that they came out with a while ago? I did a wear test on that one too. My main complaint about that one, I'm pretty sure it was a 2-tone lipstick, was that it like smelled weird and it was pretty subtle. I think this is a lot less subtle, and there's no scent or anything. It's a very nice, easy to wear formula compared to the Benefit. I think the bullet could be a little bit smaller so that when you are like flipping it upside down, it's a little bit easier to apply. And actually, I should have tried applying it exactly opposite so we can see what that looks like with the bullet upside down. And I do think flipping it upside down, you do get like a different color. It is clearly much more orange and lavender and less of that pink. So it is kind of cool that you can get two completely different looks with this one lipstick too. I'm not too sure how I feel about the orange and the pink. I think as you wear it and the longer it's on your lips, the more it kind of like fades into one color anyway. So with that being said, I can kind of see why these are discontinued, if they are discontinued, because they are pretty gimmicky. It's really too bad about the outer packaging and how boring they are, considering how like fun and exciting the product inside is. And I definitely will hold on to this color because I think that bright magenta color that you get from the tube is a really bright, beautiful color. And even this like more corally orange is a pretty nice color as well. But overall, I don't think it's anything super crazy to write home about. I think it's decent. I think for $14, it's a really good price if you can get it while it's on sale. And I really do think it's like the perfect beauty subscription box product to get because it's kind of fun, kind of wild. Maybe something that you wouldn't necessarily purchase for yourself. I think overall, I am just going to give it a 3.5 out of 5. Like, it's better than 2.5. It's definitely a pass, but like I said, it's nothing super crazy. The 3-tone isn't that mind-blowing. 3.5 out of 5, and I definitely wouldn't repurchase Sunset, but if they fell into my lap, I definitely would try and probably enjoy the nude and the red. Share your thoughts and let us know how you use these lipsticks. Oh, you know what? I should try it as a blush as well, just for fun. And a little greasy, but I'm gonna do one side, the other side upside down. It really is cool how like pronounced the 3 different colors are. Probably way too much. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Okay, the color as a blush is actually really pretty. It's kind of giving me, I'm about to get sunburnt with that level of like orange. And like I said, I did apply a little bit too much there. Probably hard to tell on camera, but I actually do like it as a blush. That's really cute, and it is fun to draw it on as well. So that's the cool thing about this product, is it's so much fun. It's kind of inspiring to have something so different in your collection that can kind of like get you thinking about different ways to try and wear these lipsticks. You could also even like use a lip brush and pick each color individually one day and like have fun that way. I don't know, there's just so much that you can do with this, with these kind of like gimmicky fun products. So like I said, that's my video for today. I definitely enjoyed trying it out, and I definitely enjoyed receiving it in my beauty subscription box. If you'd like to see the video where I unbox it again, it's up in the cards here. Aside from that, a huge shout out to my Patreons who help bring these videos to you guys. Huge thanks to you for watching, and I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye for now.